Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing Liqui Moly Diesel Purge and showing you how to use it. So the point of this is that you add it to the fuel when you're replacing the fuel filter and run the engine on pure diesel purge. This is basically a flammable. It does go into the fuel as well, so it does burn, but by running it on this neat diesel purge, you can get a really strong concentrate through the injectors, the high pressure pump, and when it's coming out the other end, obviously the cleaner can clean things like EGRs, valves, engine cylinders and catalytic converters. So overall, what you should see as a benefit is improved performance from the car, improved fuel economy, better emissions, better starting, albeit that is if you have got a build-up of carbon in there. If your engine's relatively new or clean, then you may not need this. So Liqui Moly recommend you do this once a year or with every fuel filter change. I'm going to be doing this with the filter change. The principle is replace the filter, fill the filter canister up with diesel, then run the engine at different engine speeds just to try and get the fuel to go through. And if there's any left over that you can't fit into the fuel filter, then pop that into the fuel tank and that'll burn through with the rest of the tank. So let's head out to the car and get this added to the fuel filter. So I'm going to add the Liqui Moly Diesel Purge to the fuel filter. Has a little ring pull that you have to open underneath the cap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the diesel purge into the fuel filter, just basically fill it up with fuel. There we go, it's about as much as we're going to get in there. So I'm just going to add the remainder of that into the fuel tank. So I've run the Liqui Moly Diesel Purge through the tank, got a range of 444 miles out of that tank. I've had up to 500, so this is a fairly average range on it. So let's just have a quick look to see what the claims are from this product. So it says that it removes deposits from the injector nozzle and in the combustion chamber. So interestingly, it's saying that it does survive the burn process in the combustion chamber. Increases the cetane number. The cetane number would be like the RON number on petrol, so it would be sort of raising it to like a super unleaded level. With the Liqui Moly super diesel additive, I definitely noticed the cetane number increasing and increase in performance. Didn't notice this with this product. So it says it eliminates knocking when the engine is in neutral and ensures the smooth and silent running of the engine. I didn't notice any difference with the engine in terms of noises. It just sounded exactly the same, to be brutally honest. Optimizes exhaust gas values. It may well have done that. It's going to be a very difficult one to measure. Even if you had the measuring equipment, it's going to be a difficult one to quantify. And then last to it, it says can be used as a precaution, and clean engines produce less emissions and use less fuel. Well, in this instance it didn't have any effect at all, to be honest. I would normally be seeing around 44 miles to the gallon, and used 9.95 gallons. There would have been a little bit of loss because this was done with a fuel filter change, so I would have lost a little bit of diesel from that tank, but minimal amounts, so it's about the same fuel consumption. With the super diesel additive I got 46.59 I think miles per gallon, so there was an improvement with the super additive, but not with this particular product. So Liqui Moly recommend you use this once a year or with a filter change. I may do it with another filter change, but I definitely won't be doing it once a year. I didn't really see the benefit from this product, but it was interesting for me to try this and to share with you so that you can make an informed decision. So hope this has been a useful video. If you could like and subscribe. 99% of you are unsubscribed, so it would help me to make more videos if you could subscribe. Just need to hit the icon in the bottom right hand corner. Thanks for watching.